Hi kiddos, and welcome to our next lesson. We are going to be learning about manifest destiny. And what you see in front of you is a painting that is called American Progress. And it was painted by a gentleman named John Gast in 1872. This picture symbolizes a lot of what was happening in the United States during the westward expansion and manifest destiny. So I want you to take a look at this picture. And I want you to look at the different groups maybe that you see in this picture and what's bringing them to the West. What are they bringing with them? What might be some reasons they're moving west? Who is the main figure in the center of the painting? What might she represent? What's happening to certain people in this picture? We're going to be learning all about what happened during this time and what these people in groups represent. So just a quick overview. The woman here, right in the middle, she represents manifest destiny. And what manifest destiny is the belief that it was America's basically God-given right and duty to spread the nation across the North American continent. And if you look at her closely, you can see that she symbolizes progress and modernization. If you look, she has a wire right here, a telephone wire, and she has school books in her hand. Also, if you look on the right side of the painting right here, you're going to see that it's really light. That's the east. And the west, it's a little bit darker. You're going into the unknown. Remember, this was not a very big settled area at the time. We have American Indians and wild buffalo are fleeing or they're being pushed to the west. Also, what you're going to see here are other groups. You're going to see people with their wagons. You're going to see railroads and different groups coming to the west for different reasons. So in this lesson, you're going to look at the concept and how it influenced the United States, this manifest destiny, and how it was able to help the United States gain 5 different territories that extended from the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean. So what I'm going to have you do today is go through your vocabulary words. You are going to have a set of 5 of them. You're going to have Gold Rush, 49ers, Homestead Act, Manifest Destiny, and the Alamo. All right, that's all we have for today, kiddos. Have a good day. Bye-bye.